viewers, I am Nazmul Sanchibon and you are watching Tech Surfer. In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove unwanted clips from your video. So viewers, let's start the show. First of all, you need to download KineMaster app or you can use other similar app too. But be sure your app has split and trimming options because these options are very essential to remove your unwanted portion of your video. So guys, you can see that I have already downloaded KineMaster app and this app is ready to use. So let's move forward and see how this app helps us to remove unwanted portion of our video. So first of all, you need to select the aspect ratio of your project and you have to add your video, the video you want to edit. So suppose I want this video to edit, so I'll add it to the timeline of the app and I'll play it. So guys, this video is ready to edit. So I'll edit the video. So you have to choose which part you want to remove. So I choose this part from 9.7 seconds. This part I choose this part to remove. So you had to select two parts. First one is the starting point of the trim and second one is the ending point of the trim. See, I choose two parts. So first of all, I will click on the starting point of the trim and I will tap on the video and see if when I tap on the video, some options automatically arrived. Scissor icon, mic icon. So from these icons you have to choose on scissor icon, and when I choose scissor icon, split and trim options are arrived. Trim to left of playhead, trim to right of playhead, split at playhead, split and insert freeze frame. So from these four options I had to choose split at playhead. See, I tap on split at playhead and my video cut it down into two part. From these two part, first part don't carries the portion of the video that I don't want, but second one carries the portion of the video that I don't want. So I have to choose on the second part, and then I have to tap on the second point, and again I have to choose scissor icon and split at playhead. When I tap on split at playhead, see my video cut it down into three particular parts. So from these three part, I don't want the middle one, so I'll tap on the middle one and see, when I tap on the middle one, the trash icon arrived at the left hand side. If I click on the trash icon, the video will delete it permanently. See, the video deleted permanently. So now, if now I play the video, you cannot see the middle part that I deleted. See, the middle part did not arrive at all. So this is the way how we can remove the unwanted part from your video. So that's all for now. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.